Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can place an order in Instacart. Keep watching the video till the end. To place an order on your Instacart application, firstly open your Instacart application. The home page of Instacart will appear on the screen. Click on Orders on the bottom right corner of the screen. To place order on Instacart, choose the product or item by clicking on the plus icon. You can also add the number of products too. Choose one of the options whether you want to deliver or pick up your order. On the next page, click on cart icon on the top right corner of the screen. Check the products or items and then tap on go to checkout. On the next page, enter your pickup location, pickup time, mobile number and then tap on continue. After filling all the credentials, tap on place order. This is how you can place an order on Instacart quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.